Well, here's what's interesting to me, Josh. We know in a lot of cases, district attorneys' offices, prosecutors, they have what's called a victim advocate. It may have different titles in different states, but that person works directly with the victim. And I have seen cases in Georgia in which criminal charges are not pursued or are dismissed because there's a victim that doesn't want to prosecute. That doesn't mean necessarily no criminal charges, but I have seen that does happen because they don't want to prosecute. So here the judge is hearing in Emily's own words that she really doesn't blame this person, this defendant, and that she made this choice, but yet the state continued with the charges. Why do you think the state decided, no, we're going to go ahead and try this defendant?
Because they view the real victim here as the child. And I understand that it's a tremendous amount of loss that will be felt by this mother and father for the rest of their lives. But really the way that the state views it is that the child is the victim. The child lost their life because of whatever you want to call it. You want to call it negligence, you want to call it indifference to safety. Something went wrong that should not have gone wrong that led to the death of this child. That's the prosecution's argument, at least. And they represent the people of that state. And so in representing the people of that state, regardless of the fact that the parents don't want to pursue this prosecution or are not cooperating to some extent, they believe that they have to bring this prosecution because someone needs to be held responsible for the death of that child. And that's the argument, just to make clear, that's the argument that the prosecution is going into this case with.